Hello everyone, welcome into SQ World. Today in this video, we will see how to disable the test case using ignore in TestNG. TestNG support multiple ways to ignore all test case execution based on requirement. User can ignore a complete test without executing it all. In this video, we will disable the specific test disable the tests inside the class, and third, disable all tests inside the package. So let's begin. Here inside the package login class have create tests public void login. This is our first test @ and print system.out.println. This is first test case. Copy this test case, and this is our second test case. Then test sign up. For disable the specific test, @ignore annotations. Import ignore annotations. In this scenario, only one test case will be executed, which is the login. The second test case will not execute because we use @ignore annotation. Let's run this script. Here you can do only one test case execute, which is first test case login. Now I will show you how to disable the old test case inside the class. Remove this ignore you can use above the @test notation or inside the @test notation. Or disable the old test case inside the class, you just need to add @ignore. In this scenario, all test case will not execute because we use the @ignore annotations above the class. Let's run this script. Here you can view test run 0, failure 0, and skip 0. Now we will see how to disable the test case inside the package. Here we have only one class, which is login. Create new class, home. Now we have two classes inside the package. One is login and second is home. @test public void home and print something here, system.out.println home screen. Import @test annotation. Now we need to disable the old test case inside the package home and login. In login we have two test cases. In home we have only one test. Right click on test parent folder and click on package. Enter the package name same automate.project. Automate.project. Here add org import. Now we will see how to disable the all test cases inside the package. We have two classes, home and login, inside the package, and we want to disable all test cases inside the login and inside the home. @org dot testng dot annotations dot ignore. Control S to save this file and run this script. In this scenario, all test cases will be disabled because we define the ignore annotations in separate file. If you like this content, please subscribe to SQ World. Thanks for watching.